Hey everyone, in this video I'm going to show you a step-by-step tutorial on how to open a long position on DSJ. Opening a long position sounds simple. Click long and profit when the price goes up. But here's the truth. When you open a long position, you're putting money behind a prediction. If you're right, you win. If you're wrong, you lose. And without proper risk control, one bad trade can wipe out multiple wins. First, open the DSJ app and log into your account. Then tap Perpetual. This is where advanced trading happens. Under the trading interface, you'll see long and short. Tap long. Now, you are betting the price will go up. This means you look to make money from the price increasing. Under it, you'll see two options. Market order, which executes instantly at the current price. Limit order, which executes only at a price you set. Then input how much you want to trade. This defines your risk. Enable TP/SL. Take profit automatically closes your trade in profit, while stop loss automatically closes your trade to limit loss. What appears is TP trigger price and SL trigger price. Enter prices for both sections and make sure it's above how much you want to trade. Skipping this is how people lose money fast. No SL means unlimited downside, and no TP means missed profits. Now tap Buy Long. Review details, then confirm. What happens next? Your long position opens, price moves up or down, and TP. SL triggers automatically. To summarize, opening a long position on DSJ involves going to the perpetual section, selecting long, choosing between market or limit orders, entering your quantity, optionally setting TP, SL levels, and confirming the trade. But understanding risk is more important than the steps. And that's how to open a long position on DSJ. The process is simple, but trading isn't. If you want to actually survive and grow, focus less on clicking buttons and more on managing risk. Because one good habit, like always, using stop loss can save your account. So that's how you do it. I hope you guys liked this video. Subscribe for more, like for more, and share for more. I hope to see you again. Goodbye.